Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what your monitor and GPU can actually support. This avoids chasing impossible numbers. Once done, swap to a DisplayPort 1, 2, or HDMI 2.0 cable and plug directly into the GPU, not a hub. Install the latest graphics driver and restart. This ensures the system exposes higher refresh options. Make sure to set the display to its native resolution first, because refresh rate and resolution are linked, and changing one affects available HC. Next, you open the GPU control panel and pick the highest supported refresh rate. This forces the driver to use that mode. Once selected, go to Windows Display Settings, Advanced Display, and confirm the same HC is active. Sometimes the OS overrides driver choices. If your monitor supports adaptive sync, enable G-Sync or FreeSync to smooth frames and reduce tearing. This optimizes perceived motion without raising GPU load. Also consider lowering in-game settings to keep frame rates matching your new HC. Finally, you verify the change by running a motion test or playing a fast-paced scene. You should see smoother motion and reduced blur. If the higher HC option is missing, switch ports, replace the cable, or perform a clean GPU driver reinstall. These often fix detection issues. If frame rates fall below the new refresh rate, lower resolution or graphics quality to hit target FPS. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle adaptive sync off and on after a restart to reinitialize the display handshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.